Top 5 Tools for Efficient Edge AI Deployment. Dive into the essential tools that will empower you to deploy AI models on edge devices, enhancing performance while minimizing latency. Let's explore what makes these tools indispensable for modern developers. Did you know that by 2025, an estimated 75% of data will be processed on edge devices? Welcome to our video on the top 5 tools for efficient edge AI deployment. Today, we're diving into why deploying AI models on edge devices is crucial for reducing latency and enhancing real-time processing. Whether it's for smart home devices, autonomous vehicles, or industrial IoT systems, edge AI is transforming the way we interact with technology. Stay tuned as we explore the tools that make this transformation possible.
In the world of edge AI, selecting the right tool for deployment is paramount. Today, we'll introduce you to the top tools that are leading the charge in this domain. These include TensorFlow Lite, Edge Impulse, AWS IoT Greengrass, Microsoft Azure IoT Edge, and NVIDIA Jetson. But why is tool selection so important? Each of these tools offers unique functionalities tailored for specific applications, ranging from small IoT devices to robust industrial setups. Understanding these tools not only helps streamline your deployment process but also ensures optimal performance and scalability. First up, we have TensorFlow Lite, a popular choice for deploying machine learning models on mobile and IoT devices. This tool is a scaled-down version of the TensorFlow library, tailored to run efficiently on devices with limited resources. With TensorFlow Lite, developers can perform on-device inference, which minimizes latency and enhances privacy by keeping data locally. It supports a wide array of models and offers tools for optimizing model size and performance. The robust community support and comprehensive documentation make it accessible even for those new to edge AI development. Next, we explore Edge Impulse, a platform designed to simplify the entire edge AI model building process. Known for its user-friendly interface, Edge Impulse allows developers to quickly integrate sensor data and automate model training. It caters to both beginners and experienced developers, providing rapid prototyping capabilities. With Edge Impulse, you can effortlessly deploy models directly to edge devices, making it an invaluable tool for applications requiring fast iteration and deployment. AWS IoT Greengrass brings the power of AWS cloud capabilities to the edge. This tool enables developers to run AWS Lambda functions on edge devices, ensuring seamless integration between cloud and local processing. It's perfect for scenarios where local data processing and device communication are essential. By leveraging AWS IoT Greengrass, you can enhance the performance of your edge applications and seamlessly scale using existing AWS services, making it a powerful tool for enterprises looking to extend their cloud infrastructure to the edge. Microsoft Azure IoT Edge stands out as an enterprise-grade solution for deploying AI models on edge devices. It offers robust security features and supports seamless integration with Azure cloud services. This tool is ideal for those looking to deploy and manage AI models at scale, providing comprehensive monitoring and management capabilities. With Azure IoT Edge, enterprises can ensure that their edge deployments are secure, scalable, and easy to manage, making it a go-to choice for large-scale industrial applications. For high-performance edge computing, NVIDIA Jetson is a top choice. This platform is optimized for deep learning tasks, offering unparalleled GPU acceleration through CUDA support. NVIDIA Jetson is perfect for AI-intensive applications such as robotics, autonomous vehicles, and advanced computer vision projects. With extensive developer resources and a strong community, it empowers developers to push the boundaries of what's possible at the edge, making it a favorite among those building cutting-edge AI solutions. When choosing an edge AI tool, functionality and compatibility are key considerations. Each tool we've discussed offers unique features and supports different hardware configurations. For instance, TensorFlow Lite excels in mobile deployments, while NVIDIA Jetson is optimized for GPU-accelerated tasks. Understanding these functional differences and compatibility with various hardware platforms is crucial for selecting the right tool for your specific needs. We'll explore performance benchmarks and ideal use cases to help you make an informed decision. Ease of use is a critical factor when selecting an edge AI tool. Intuitive user interfaces and developer-friendly features can significantly impact the speed and efficiency of your deployments. Tools like Edge Impulse stand out for their simplicity and ease of use, making them accessible to developers at all skill levels. We'll examine the learning curves associated with each tool, as well as the availability of community support and resources, to help you choose the tool that best matches your workflow and expertise. A successful edge AI deployment often hinges on how well the tool integrates with existing systems. Seamless integration can enhance operational efficiency by allowing AI models to work harmoniously with current infrastructures. We'll delve into the APIs and connectivity options offered by each tool, and how they impact your ability to future-proof your deployments. Understanding these integration capabilities is essential for achieving long-term success in your edge AI projects.
Cost effectiveness is a vital consideration for any edge AI deployment. We'll break down the costs associated with each tool, comparing subscription models and one-time fees. Understanding the financial implications of your tool choice can help maximize the value of your investment. We'll also explore the long-term financial benefits of deploying AI at the edge, helping you budget effectively for your projects. To illustrate the real-world impact of these tools, we'll explore case studies from various industries. These success stories highlight the innovative applications of edge AI tools, the challenges encountered, and the solutions implemented. By learning from these examples, you can gain insights into best practices and successful strategies for your own deployments. These case studies not only showcase the potential of edge AI but also inspire new possibilities for your projects. As we look to the future, edge AI continues to evolve with emerging technologies and trends. From advancements in hardware to new software innovations, the landscape of edge AI tools is ever-changing. We'll explore these developments and their potential impact on future deployments. By understanding these trends, you can better prepare for technological shifts and ensure that your projects remain at the cutting edge.
As we conclude our exploration of the top tools for efficient edge AI deployment, remember that the best tool is the one that aligns with your specific needs and project goals. Each tool offers unique benefits, and making an informed choice can significantly enhance your deployment success. We encourage you to explore, experiment, and share your experiences. Don't forget to leave a comment with your thoughts or questions and subscribe for more insights into the world of edge AI.